Hey guys, we're in Norfolk, Virginia. We're picking up some pallets, but yeah, we're gonna pick this up. Okay, this is what we got here. Doesn't look too bad, they're just kind of bulky. So we'll put the camera over here. Okay, guys, yep, we're all done with that. That's all clean. Just saves a little bit of space. They're kind of wide. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and tarp this up, and that's it. So, like this video, subscribe, hit that like button, comment. What would you charge for this? Anyway, thanks for watching.